My name is Mr. Fanta. As part of your upcoming IEP, we're going to be asking you to put together a short little Google slide presentation in which you kind of tell us about who you are today and who you want to be in the future. So, the first slide for this project, which is going to be called My Vision for the Future, I would like you to tell me a little about after high school, what are you considering? Are you considering a 2-year college? Are you considering a 4-year college? Or maybe like a trade school? What are some options that you are seriously looking about, and what would you like to research a little more in the next year? Next slide, career possibilities. Now, we all know probably the next year or two you'd be getting your first job or another job. This is going to include something like Culver's, working at Myers, but also a little long term. Where do you see yourself in 4 to 5 years with your first job that'll help you support yourself? What are you going to be able to do once you move out of your parents' place or your guardian's place to be able to afford that first apartment or be able to get that first house that you probably want? Just put a couple of things down. It's just a starting point for what we can discuss going forward. On the next slide, realistically, what accommodations do you use in school? This can include extended time on tests, taking tests in a quiet room, asking to have a test read aloud, also extended time on written papers or projects, or getting help with notes. What do you use presently? If you have any questions, please talk to your resource teacher or your case manager, and they can fully explain this to you if you're not quite sure. Places I would like to live. Okay, so going forward, probably after high school, you'd probably go into a local community college. Do you plan on getting an apartment to do that? Or do you think you're going to live at home when you're doing that? And then think a little farther out, 5, 10 years down the road when you get that first career. Do you want to be living somewhere in the city of Chicago, maybe a different state? Do you see yourself living in a suburban area, kind of like Oswego? Or do you want to change it up, maybe live on the farm? Just tell us what you're thinking. We'd like to know. Once you live somewhere, you got to get to and from places. So, how will I get around? Do you plan on getting a car? If you're living in the city of Chicago, will you consider maybe riding a bicycle, walking to and from places? Are you going to use public transportation? What are some of the things that are realistically going to be where you're living, and how are you going to get to and from places? Right now, you probably rely on your parents and you rely on the school bus. Things change in the next couple of years. Tell us about it. Things I like to do for fun. So, kind of tell us, are you in any sports and activities at Oswego High School? Do you like clubs, like anime club, key club, student council? And finally, what are some things that you'd like to do in the future for activities alone or with some friends?